CBAM Readiness. CBAM Webinar Follow-Up. How to Make Your Decarbonization Efforts Pay Off. The webinar titled How to Make Your Decarbonization Efforts Pay Off focused on preparing businesses for the EU's Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanism, CBAM. CBAM is designed to prevent carbon leakage by imposing a carbon price on imports of certain goods, encouraging global decarbonization. The session emphasized the importance of early CBAM readiness, highlighting key steps such as accurate carbon footprint calculation of imported products, robust data collection, and transparent reporting systems. Companies were advised to integrate decarbonization strategies with CBAM compliance to turn regulatory costs into competitive advantages. Practical guidance was provided on aligning internal sustainability efforts with CBAM's requirements to optimize cost savings and improve market positioning. The webinar also stressed collaboration across supply chains and investing in low-carbon technologies. Overall, the follow-up reinforced that proactive CBAM readiness not only ensures regulatory compliance, but also enhances long-term business resilience and profitability through sustainable practices. Published on 2026-06-14 at 0015:02. Now to today's Market Watch. Today's Market and Policy Watch. No verified market or policy updates were confirmed for this run.